How to create Amazon Prime account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. If you're trying to create an account of Amazon Prime or the Prime Video subscription, you can do it within a few steps. For this, you're gonna need to open up your web browser and search for primevideo.com. After that, you'll land on this interface where you'll have two options, either to sign in or to start your free trial. Because Prime Video is a paid subscription service, you'll need to pay each month to use this service. So tap on the second option, which is start your free trial. If you already have an account of Amazon.com, you can easily type it in because there is no separate account of Amazon Prime that you need to create. It's both the same of Amazon.com and also of Prime Video. So make sure you type in your details, but if you don't yet have an account of Amazon, you can tap on create a new account. In the next page, you'll need to fill in all these details. Firstly, type in your first name and your last name, type in your email address, and then create a strong password. If you want to reveal this password, you can tap on this show password option. Once you fill in all these three options, you just tap on create your Amazon account. And you'll need to complete this verification puzzle. Once the verification has been completed, a one-time password will be sent to the email address that you've entered. You just need to enter in the code here and then tap on verify. Now the last step is you need to add in your phone number. Select your country code and then type in your phone number and then tap on add mobile number. Once you add in your phone number, you'll land on this interface where you now just need to enter in your card details. So type in your name, your card number, your expiration date, and then just tap on add your card. And you can continue with the payment. So payment of 1 month is $5.99, but you don't need to use it right away. You can also use the free trial, which is 1 week. So that's the exact way that you can create your account of Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to it, make sure you comment down below. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.